Hello! In today's video we visit what we think is Vietnam's strangest town, Phong Nha. Why, I hear you ask? Well, we found ourselves going on a walk with our taxi driver, having a shot of vodka with a local and doing a quack quack dance in a farm of ducks. Quack quack! So let us know in the comments if you know a town that is as wonderfully weird as this place.
But first, we have to get there. Right, we're on our way to our first ever night bus in Vietnam. We're going from Tam Coc in Ninh Binh to Phong Nha, I think it is called.
To a duck stop.
To a duck stop, that's all we know.
So we got settled into our 9-hour night bus, only to stop after 20 minutes of driving for a dinner break. This is where we stopped off. No thank you.
We then got back on the road and arrived in Phong Nha. So another little quirk of a night bus, of a sleeper bus, is that you arrive at silly hours.
Whenever time you hear that.
So, well yeah, on our ticket it said arrive at 5:30. I thought that'll be alright, we'll get a couple of hours skipping. But we've arrived at 3:30. So all of a sudden...
It's nice and speedy.
Yeah, all of a sudden lights came on and I stick my head out of my curtain and his head just pops round this corner and he was like, Phong Nha! Anyway.
And also, we were right at the end of the night bus.
Right back.
And there was this like massive step down to everyone else, but I didn't see it. So I full on like face
Honestly,
back.
I thought she was going to go. She stumbled for about 5 yards.
The thing is, as I was stumbling, I was like that with my bag. But then there's curtains at the side at the bottom, so I was like bashing into them all. Good morning.
It's afternoon because we arrived in the early hours of the morning and then we've had a sleep and now we're ready to go and see the duck farm and Monkey Bridge.
Yes, we are. Tell me if that doesn't sound like a perfect day.
Because we're only here for the day, so we're going to try and make the most of it. But the room's pretty good. We're actually at our first hostel, but we've got a private room.
Private bungalow.
How much is it? £16 a night?
Yeah, can't be bad.
Breakfast included. And breakfast were good. I'm just showing them the room.
Oh, sorry.
You running after me. So yeah, let's go.
We then went on a hunt for some lunch along the main street of Phong Nha.
This is the petrol station. Pretty cheap.
I wonder if they sell a Red Bull. We ate all our meals at the Treehouse Cafe, which we highly recommend. We then made our way to go to the duck stop, which didn't go to plan.
So we've not a clue what's just gone on. So we get to the duck stop and two other blokes came. Yeah, we got a grab, which is like Uber.
One bloke came, I don't know who he was. The other bloke came that clearly worked at the duck stop because he had a t-shirt on saying "What the duck."
They had a little conversation and then said the duck stop's too busy right now. We'll take you to the Monkey Bridge first, which we did want to come to. Then to the duck stop, then back home to the hotel. But the guy obviously has never been here who's driving.
So he's right sceptical.
So the tarmac just ran out and then we all get out and we start walking and he started taking us for a walk down these tracks and we're thinking, where are we going here? But
and then he's ringing people as well. Oh,
lost
Tom's
my
lost his slider.
Sorry about that. But we are here, I can see it in the
Oh,
distance.
there's pigs as well.
I don't think many people come here. So the whole reason I've come is for this Monkey Bridge challenge and it's temporarily inactive. So there's this shooting game that I've no idea what that is. I think you shoot some seeds or something. So we can play that if we like. And then there's the crazy swing, which I've already seen.
I'd like to go on that.
You can do some jungle honey and lemon juice and ginger plus tapping rubber tree. So it's a beautiful place, but there's only us here and them two chaps behind Lauren.
And our driver.
And our driver, yeah, he's made it as well. He's driven the car down.
He's enjoying the view with
He
the
is. But we're going to end up doing this shooting thing. Not quite sure what that entails. And then there's a swing. So we're going to see. It's a package deal.
Yeah, it is. The shooting game involved firing seeds through a bamboo gun while aiming at a target that can win you a prize such as water, luck or beers. Pretty standard, but this game has a very unique start.
Vote hai ba yo!
Good.
Are you ready, Bobby? Tom, 1, 2.
Ah, it doesn't hurt.
Too strong. Here, talk 7 up. Good luck to Where? Yeah. Roland.
Yeah?
Yo! Good! Already water! Water!
Better than me. Better than me.
Yeah, Roland! 2 beer, Coke, 7 up! Oh!
Right, come on.
Go! We go, Coke, 7 up beer! Oh! 7 up!
Oh, yeah! Time for the crazy swing.
Yeah,
Crazy swing.
where's the wing? Tom,
Don't
take
it-
shoes up, yeah.
Shoes off.
Good. Have a lead back,
Lean back.
Yes, hold here. I'm a safety belt. I want to recommend to you a standard, a little bit harsh. Yeah.
Yes. Go.
1, 2, go! Woo! Lead back. No! Stop, lead back and hands up, Two hands.
Ah.
Are you okay?
Yes.
Oh, yeah, more higher, head more higher. Loose. They walking? I don't know. Yeah, they walking. Let's start. First, we have a safety belt.
Am I too heavy?
Little bit.
Is it going to hold my weight?
Yeah, don't worry. Too safe, I sure. Yeah. That's too safe, but that tree, I hope you. That tree, hope you.
You'll be okay.
Yeah, have a seat easy.
Can you sit?
1, 2, go! You can all
There you go.
Lead back. Hands up now. Yeah!
Hey.
Hands up. No hands.
Tell you what, that were actually well good. We're like the only ones here, and like the duck stops literally just, I think it said 3 kilometres down the road, and it's so touristy there, and
Yeah.
we are going to go there now, but this has been brilliant, like proper good fun. You enjoyed it?
I have enjoyed it, even though he says I might be a little bit too heavy to go on the rope swing.
Here's our trusty mobile. So we've arrived. Bart's introduced himself. He then told, he's the guy who sent us to the Monkey Bridge first. First thing he said when we get back, oh yeah, Monkey Bridge broken.
Shame it's broken, innit?
It's like, so you knew. That's
So
why
why
we
sent
went.
us there first then?
But yeah, we've been given some peanuts, some sort of salt and pepper. And
Told to put it all in our hand and neck it.
Yeah.
Tom did it first and he couldn't hide that he got a really peppery bit. So he was giving it. Yeah? Oh,
what is that?
I was like Tom, because he was sat right there.
But we've got a beer and a Coke, and
Which
I think
is included in the 100,000
dong.
dong.
So we're all duck ready.
Yeah?
This
Bring
is-
on the ducks.
I don't know why you've got to wear one of these to go see the ducks, but
Otherwise they'll just absolutely freak out.
this is when we go see the ducks. That's party time. Time to put some nice little stylish shoes on. Lauren is going to look brilliant in those.
Oh, they're wet.
Yeah, no, they just wash them down over there.
Oh, we
We're
come
on,
off track.
we're en route. These bloody flippers they've given us don't do much good. Pebbles are getting in left, right and centre, Lauren. I can hear them. There's a stir.
Can you feel it?
Why are they coming over here? Oh, no.
Quack, quack.
Attack! Oh, that is weird. Ah, no. Be careful. Oh, no. It tickled. No! Oh, no. This is the weirdest experience.
Literally ever. Like he gets you to like open your toes and then he chucks them all at your feet and then he makes you close your legs and then he or you can just feel his feet.
Oh, man.
Tom smiling. What on earth? So that's it for this video on Phong Nha.
We definitely recommend it, but let us know if you'd come.
Yeah,
in the comments.
It's a bit of a funny place and it's not that easy to get to, so a lot of people skip it. But would you come to see Monkey Bridge, which is inactive, and the ducks?
Let us know. But other than that, thank you very much for watching.
Thank you, as always. If you could like and subscribe, that would be fantastic, because Tom does these videos and he's very stressed tonight, bless him. So that would mean the world.
See you next time.